Hello, and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and easy to follow for beginner English learners. Mia checks out of her hotel in the morning, but her train is much later at night. She wants to enjoy the city, but she has one problem. Her suitcase is very heavy. Can the hotel keep her luggage until the evening? Listen carefully and try to find the answer. At the end, write your answer in the comments. Writing your answer can help you practice English and remember the story better. Now, let's begin.
My train is later tonight.
What time is your train?
It leaves at 9:30 tonight. Oh, that is late. Yes, I still have many hours.
What will you do today?
I want to walk around the city.
That sounds nice.
But I have a heavy suitcase. Yeah, that looks heavy. I do not want to carry it all day.
Of course not.
I checked out already online.
Then ask the hotel to keep it.
Do hotels do that?
Yes, many hotels do.
Really?
Sure, it is very common.
That would help a lot.
Just ask at the front desk.
What should I say?
You can say, "Can you keep my luggage?"
Can you keep my luggage?
Yes, very good.
Can you keep my luggage until this evening?
Perfect.
I hope they can help me.
They probably can.
I have a very heavy suitcase.
Then you really should leave it here.
Yes, I want to enjoy the city today.
Exactly. No heavy suitcase.
That sounds much better. When will you come back? Maybe around 7 o'clock? That should be fine. Okay, I'll ask now. Good idea. Can you come with me? Sure, let's go to the front desk.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to check out.
Of course. What is your room number?
Room 508.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Sure.
Okay, you are checking out today.
Yes, that's right.
Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, very much.
I'm glad to hear that.
I have a question.
Sure.
Can you keep my luggage?
Yes, we can.
Really?
Of course, we can store it here.
That's great.
Until what time do you need it?
Until this evening.
No problem.
My train is later tonight.
I understand.
I want to walk around the city today.
That sounds nice.
But my suitcase is very heavy.
Yes, I can see that.
I do not want to carry it all day.
That makes sense.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Where should I put my suitcase?
Right here is fine.
Okay,
We keep luggage in a safe room.
that's good.
Is this your only bag?
Yes, only this suitcase.
Okay, we can store it here until this evening.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
What time will you come back?
My train leaves at 9:30 tonight.
Okay, but what time will you come back here?
Oh, sorry.
No problem.
I thought you asked about my train.
I understand.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Let me think for a moment.
Sure.
Maybe around 7 o'clock?
Around 7?
Yes, around 7 in the evening.
Okay, that is fine.
Is that too late?
No, not at all.
Good.
We are open all evening.
That helps a lot.
So you will come back around 7 o'clock?
Yes, that's right.
And your train leaves at 9:30 tonight.
Yes.
Then you have plenty of time.
That's good to hear.
Are you going to the station after this?
Yes, after I get my suitcase.
Sounds like a good plan.
I hope so.
The station is not far from here.
Really?
Yes, only about 10 minutes by taxi.
Oh, that's easy.
Yes, very easy.
Okay, I understand now.
Great.
I'll come back around 7 o'clock.
Perfect. We'll keep your suitcase safe until then.
Thank you very much.
Okay, your suitcase is ready to store.
Great.
Here's your luggage tag.
Thank you.
Please keep this with you.
Okay, I will.
You need this later.
I need it to get my suitcase back?
Exactly.
I understand.
Your tag number is 24.
24.
That's right.
Let me check it.
Sure.
Yes, I see number 24.
Perfect.
What happens if I lose the tag?
We can still help you, but it takes more time.
Oh, I see.
So please keep it safe.
I will keep it in my bag.
Good idea.
Do I show the tag when I come back?
Yes, please show it at the front desk.
Okay,
Then we will bring your suitcase to you.
sounds easy.
Yes, very easy.
I'm happy I don't need to carry it today.
I'm sure your day will be more comfortable now.
Definitely.
Are you visiting the old town today?
Yes, and maybe the river too.
Very nice places.
I'm excited.
Well, enjoy your day in the city.
Thank you.
We'll see you around 7 o'clock.
Yes, I'll keep the tag safe and come back later.
Good evening. Welcome back.
Hi again.
How was your day?
Very good. I walked around the city all day.
That sounds nice.
Yes, and I'm very tired now.
I understand.
I'm here for my luggage.
Of course. Do you have your luggage tag?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
The number is 24.
Yes, I see it here.
Great.
One moment, please.
Sure.
Here's your suitcase.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm very happy I left it here today.
It was probably easier without the heavy suitcase.
Much easier.
Did you visit the old town?
Yes, and I walked by the river too.
Very nice.
The weather was beautiful today.
Yes, it was a good day to walk around the city.
Definitely.
What time is your train again?
It leaves at 9:30 tonight.
Then you still have time.
Yes, I feel relaxed now.
That's good.
Thank you for keeping my luggage safe.
Of course.
Everyone here was very kind.
I'm happy to hear that.
Well, I should go to the station now.
Okay, have a safe trip.
Thank you. Have a nice evening. Hey, Mia. Hi, Sarah.
Did everything go well at the hotel?
Yes, everything was very easy.
That's great.
First, I went to the front desk.
Okay.
Then I said I'd like to check out.
Right. After that, I asked,
Can you keep my luggage?
good phrase.
Yes, and the hotel worker said yes.
Nice.
Then he asked what time I would come back.
Oh, right.
At first, I talked about my train time.
That was a little confusing.
Yes, but then I understood the question.
What did you say?
I said I'll come back around 7 o'clock.
Perfect. Then he gave me a luggage tag. Did you keep it safe?
Yes, I kept it in my bag all day. Good idea. After that, I walked around the city without the heavy suitcase. Exactly. It was much better. And later? Later, I came back to the hotel. Then what happened? I said, I'm here for my luggage. Very natural. Then I showed my luggage tag. Easy. Yes, very easy.
And they gave your suitcase back?
Yes, very quickly.
Sounds like a smooth day.
Definitely. I'm really happy I left my suitcase there.
Me too.
Now I feel relaxed before my train.
That's the best feeling.
Yes, everything worked out well today.
This was a simple but very useful English conversation. Mia checked out of her hotel, stored her luggage, enjoyed her day in the city, and later came back for her suitcase. Step by step, everything became easy and comfortable. You also practiced many real English phrases today, like, "Can you keep my luggage?" "What time will you come back?" And "I'm here for my luggage." Very good job listening until the end. Slow listening practice like this helps your English grow little by little, every day. And now here is today's listening question again. What time did Mia say she would come back for her luggage? Write your answer in the comments. Writing in English is great practice, and it can help you remember new words and phrases longer. If you enjoyed this relaxing story, please like and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and beginner-friendly English practice. And if you would like to support more stories like this, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening today. Take care, keep practicing, and see you in the next story.